Assalamu alaikum. Hope all of you are doing well. Today we are going to learn some kind words because your words matter a lot. So far, instead of this, try this. Be quiet. Can you use a softer voice? What a mess. It looks like you had fun. How can we clean up? Do you need help? I am here to help if you need me. Explain. I explained how to do this yesterday. Maybe I can show you another way. Do I need to separate you? Could you use a break? Stop crying. It's okay to cry. Do you have any question? What questions do you have? You're okay? How are you feeling? It's not that hard. You can do hard things. We don't like, we don't talk like that. Please use kind words. Hope you get it, guys. Thanks for watching.